Mr. Srinivas Murthy, Chief Executive of the Gokhale Foundation, Dr. Raina, the Vice Chancellor of the Ramaya University of Applied Sciences, and Nagendra Swami, the President of the Ramaya Memorial Hospital, the invitees and gentlemen. It's my privilege to be
ಕರ್ನಾಟಕ ರಾಜ್ಯದ ಆರೋಗ್ಯ ಮಂತ್ರಿಗಳಾದಂಥ ನನ್ನ ಆತ್ಮೀಯ ಸ್ನೇಹಿತರಾದಂಥ ಶ್ರೀ ದಿನೇಶ್ ಗುಂಡೂರಾವ್ ಅವರೇ ಹಾಗೂ ಈ ಸಂಸ್ಥೆಯನ್ನು MS ರಾಮಯ್ಯನವರ ಒಂದು ಹಾಕಿದ
always a learning process, and there's so many things that you can learn how things are done here in Karnataka, in Bengaluru, in India, because Karnataka is one of the leaders in terms of healthcare.
And we are honored and privileged to work with them. I learned that just over 2 weeks ago,